Hi, hello, and welcome to BK's Tech Stack. I am BK. Today, we are going to learn about defining generative AI governance.
Governance is not just about rules. It is the backbone of responsible AI. It is a set of procedures that guide how we build and deploy models. By defining these boundaries, organizations can harness the power of generative AI while proactively managing the risks it brings to society and their internal operations.
Why do we need governance? As AI accessibility grows, so does the risk. We must prioritize ethics to stop misinformation and deepfakes. Simultaneously, we need technical safeguards for data privacy and security. These aren't just technical requirements. They are fundamental to maintaining public trust and fairness in every AI interaction.
Transparency is vital for adoption. If a model acts like a black box, users become uneasy. Explainable AI helps by providing the why behind a result. For example, explaining that an image is identified as an insect because it has 6 legs. This shift from opaque to clear logic is the key to user confidence.
Tools like SHAP allow us to open the hood of our models. By visualizing how each feature contributes to a final prediction, we move away from mystery and toward accountability. In this snippet, we generate an explainer object to visualize exactly which data points are driving the AI's final decision. Auditing doesn't start at the end. It starts at the input. We must ensure our training data is clean and balanced. This simple function checks for missing values and statistical bias before the model ever sees the data, acting as a crucial first gate in our governance lifecycle.
When we run our compliance suite, we aren't just testing functionality, we are verifying safety. Notice the failure in the encryption protocol test. This is the kind of alert governance systems must surface immediately. Continuous testing ensures our standards remain upheld throughout the development lifecycle.
When designing AI, we look back at foundational ethics. The Belmont Report gives us 3 anchors: respect for individuals, beneficence, and justice. Applying these to AI means we must prioritize informed consent, strictly adhere to the concept of do no harm, and ensure that AI benefits are shared equally across society.
Autonomous vehicles bring ethical dilemmas to the physical world. In an emergency, how does the machine choose between 2 lives? We cannot leave this to chance. We must establish governance that dictates the value of human life within our algorithms, balancing safety with legal and societal expectations before the car ever hits the road.
In healthcare, trust is non-negotiable. Guardian AI succeeds by giving users control. It doesn't just collect data. It allows users to opt out of categories and even request deletions. Most importantly, it aggregates data at a group level, ensuring the individual's identity remains hidden while still providing valuable health insights.
Financial AI carries different risks, primarily related to market bias and transaction security. Secure AI addresses this through rigid compliance checks and regular auditing tools. By building in failover systems, they ensure that even if a part of the AI fails, the financial stability of the user's transaction remains protected.
Governance is a team sport. Your committee needs more than just developers. You need voices from legal, risk, and even customer service. This diversity ensures that when an AI policy is written, it covers every angle, from data security to public perception. Don't hesitate to bring in external experts for specialized insight.
We can't have a human reviewing every single line of code. We must be strategic. We use a matrix. If the potential severity and probability of harm are both high, a human must be in the loop. If the risk is low, we can trust the automation. This keeps our governance efficient and scalable.
Visa demonstrates a mature model of governance. They don't just set it and forget it. They utilize a human-over-the-loop approach, which allows for intervention when the AI encounters something unusual. By documenting everything from technical standards to interpretation, they ensure their audit trail is ready at a moment's notice.
Legal risks are not just theoretical, they have real consequences. A single security leak can cause massive reputation damage and lead to heavy regulatory fines. If you fail to prioritize legal resolution, you aren't just taking an engineering risk, you are taking a massive business risk that could threaten your organization's future.
Our final step is to look at the road ahead. Governance is not a one-time project, it is a living process. You must constantly update your artifacts and retrain your staff. Conduct tabletop exercises to simulate breaches. Practice makes perfect. By staying proactive and evolving with the technology, you build a truly responsible ecosystem. Congratulations! You just learned presentation topic. Now it's your turn to apply these skills. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're building. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe to BK'sTechStack for more weekly tutorials, and share this with someone who needs it. Visit www.BK'sTechStack.com for free resources, exclusive tips, and our community. Next video, we're diving deeper. Don't miss it!